This is from R.K. Goel Prabhu. He asked, the verse Yoga Kshema Vahamiyaham suggests that we should not request Krishna for anything in lieu of our devotional service. How can one plan for his career or good future in such a case, as we need to request Krishna to help us in fulfilling our desired goals? Thank you, Guruji.
Hare Krishna. Yeah, we can actually, for career or if our goals, everything, it is only to please Krishna. That's what our goal is. So we should not have any our own career ambitions other than Krishna's plans, other than Krishna's desires. So that's what is very important. So when we want to do something, we need to know that it is we are doing it for Krishna. That's what is very important. If we are not doing it for Krishna, if we have our own interest here in this material world, we want to establish our own things and we want to enjoy material sense objects, all those things. If we want to enjoy ourselves away from Krishna, so that means that's not the right thing to do. But if it is for Krishna, if our career goal is that I want to become this and this for serving Krishna, I want to become an IAS officer or an IPS officer, I want to serve Krishna. So that is a great goal. But I want to earn so much of money, I want more power, I want to become this and that. So then we cannot go and ask Krishna. So in that way, if you want to serve Krishna, if you want to please Krishna, so anything, whatever we want to become, we will do it for Krishna. At that time, we don't even have to ask Krishna that, Krishna, you please give me that, or you give me this and give me that, and all. There is no need to ask. Krishna knows what we need. He is the source of everything. He gives everything what we need. Krishna knows. There is, in fact, He is seated in our heart and as the super soul, and He knows what is our need because He is also with us. So that way, there is no need to ask Krishna that give me this or give me that. There is no need at all. Only thing is that our desire only. Our desire matters here. We want to serve Krishna. We want to please Krishna. So that we will do. So we will do for Krishna. And if it is the right thing, then Krishna will make us to do. Krishna will direct us. Krishna will guide us. So that way, that motivation comes from the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita that we are serving Krishna. So that way, that's what Krishna is in Yoga Kshema Mahamyam. You don't worry about anything. You don't have to ask anything. You just have to think about me all the time. Ananyas chintayantoma. So all the time you think about me. Ananyas chintayantoma. Ejanaha paryupasate tesam nityabhiyuktanam. Those who are always engaged in my devotional service, Yoga Kshema Mahamyam. So then Krishna gives what we needed. He knows. So that way for us, there is absolutely no need to ask Krishna anything because Krishna knows what we need and He gives everything what we need. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji.